Test, Title Page, Info Page, Information about the worksheet, Countdown, Timer for the worksheet, Results, Results for the worksheet. Create a title page for your worksheet with basic information about it. Drag and drop an image and enter the data for the worksheet. Use the red frame to adjust the size and shape of the white background of the image. Save the exercise with your custom settings. Enter any extra information about the worksheet or an exercise here. Give the page a title and enter text. You can also set a time limit for the worksheet. A timer will then be displayed while the worksheet is being completed. When the countdown expires, the worksheet will be closed automatically. Click on this icon to change the order of the exercises. Specify the percentages and the comments displayed. Select which symbol should indicate the results. Rewrite the comment on each result and change the percentages as well. Insert the worksheet into your exercise book so it can be used later during the lesson or sent to students. Click on the icon to open the worksheet and do the exercises. The exercises cannot be edited after clicking on the icon. Click on the play icon Click here to check your results. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.